Good afternoon, everyone, especially during now. So, there are some of the basic elements of games that teachers could consider in gamifying their learning experiences. Remember that these elements are not the only elements that could be incorporated in our lesson. But before incorporating games in learning experiences, teachers could consider the following. First, the teacher should have the clear idea of linguistic aims of the lesson. So, clear linguistic aims. Before we starting a lesson, let's say verb tenses. The teachers outline the specific objectives such as understanding differences between past simple and present perfect tense. Second is, the teacher should ensure a lot of learner interaction and productivity during the lesson. Using collaborative concepts, the teacher can make the gamified learning experiences more engaging to the learners. So, encouraging learner interaction. The teachers organizes group discussion where students debate various topics related to the lesson, allowing them to practice their speaking skills and engage with each other. Third is allow elements of learner autonomy as they create and adapt rules and solve problems along the way. So, third is implementing gamified learning. So, in a language class, the teachers introduce a vocabulary game where students earn points to correctly using new words and sentences, turning the learning process in fun and competitive activity. Fourth is give accurate and actionable feedback on language and multiple points in the lesson. So, promoting learner autonomy. So, during a writing task, students are given the freedom to choose their own topic and writing styles, encouraging them to take ownership of their learning and express themselves creatively. Fifth one is allow the learners to have multiple opportunities to complete the games. So providing accurate feedback. So after speaking activity, the teachers the teachers listen to each student's provide specific feedback on pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary usage, helping them improve their language skills effectively. And the last one is move game mechanics from competitive play but rather adapt to more completion-based games. So, offering multiple opportunities. In a role-playing game, where students practice real-life conversations, the teachers allows each group to perform the scenario multiple times, focusing on improving rather than competition, ensuring every student has a chance to succeed. And that's all from my report.